In this video, I'll show you how to change your Starlink Wi-Fi password. So the process is very easy. All you need to do just go and open your Starlink application on your phone. Of course, make sure that you are logged in into your account. Make sure also that the router is plugged in to the power and make sure that you are connected into it. And the connection is not very necessary, but it's preferable. So once you open the application and once you're logged in, you'll find the settings option down below. All you need to do, just go and click on it. If you didn't find it, scroll down a little bit and you'll find settings at the bottom. So once you click on that, you should find an example here, your network. You'll find router and Starlink. Make sure that you are selecting the router. You'll find here your network, content filtering, and you'll find slide to reboot if you want to reboot or factory reset your router. For us, what we care about is just networks. Click on Starlink with the Wi-Fi logo and stuff, and you should be taken here. Here, you'll be able to change the network name and also the password as well. Of course, any additional settings that you want to change, like split the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz networks, hidden networks, and any other things that you may want to add here or change, you'll be able to do it. And once you're done with changing your password to whatever you want, scroll down and click on save, and you should be good to go. As you can see, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find the save button. Of course, you'll have to change the password until you can save, or just change something so you can save. Just enter whatever password you want to change to, click on save, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.